Hi, let me take you through some of the most basic questions that might come to your mind regarding LoveLap Elite Stroller. Can this stroller be carried on a flight? Yes, the LoveLap Elite Stroller can be carried on flights. You can give to the airline staff before boarding, who will hand it over to you after landing, making it travel-friendly for parents on the go. This can also be given as a check-in luggage as per your choice. Is it travel-friendly? Yes, the stroller comes with a travel-friendly towing feature that can be pulled easily, and the compact design allows you to easily store it in the boot. Is this stroller easy to fold? Absolutely. The stroller is designed with a one-hand folding mechanism, so you can fold it easily. Just slide and press the button to fold. Can it be used for newborns? Yes, the LoveLap Elite Stroller is suitable for newborns, thanks to its 180-degree seat recline. What is the maximum weight capacity of the stroller? The LoveLap Elite Stroller is designed for babies from 0 to 36 months and supports a maximum weight of up to 22 kgs. Does it have a reclining seat? Yes, it comes with a multi-level adjustable reclining seat to keep your baby comfortable, whether they are sitting or sleeping. Does it come with an armrest or safety bar? Yes, it includes a sturdy armrest that acts as a safety bar for your child's support while strolling. Is there any extra storage facility? Yes. The stroller includes a spacious storage basket for baby essentials and shopping items. Does it have a swivel lock on the wheels? Yes, the front wheels feature 360-degree swivel wheels. The front wheel also comes with directional lock, allowing smooth maneuverability and better control on different surfaces. The front wheels also comes with shock absorbers for smooth rides. Does it have an extendable canopy? Yes. It features a multi-level extendable canopy along with a peekaboo window to keep an eye on your baby. Does it have a pocket to carry essentials? Yes, it includes a pocket to carry essentials and a see-through mesh window for better airflow and visibility. Does it have any safety certification? The stroller is EN certified, made with premium materials, and comes with a 5-point safety harness and brake-enabled wheels with shock absorbers for secure strolls. Does the stroller come with a warranty? Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. Please note, the cloth material is not covered under warranty. Hope I have covered all the questions that you would like to know about LoveLap Elite Stroller. In case you have any further queries, give us a missed call at 8420115995 or mail us at contact@lovelap.com. The customer service team will contact you within 48 hours, except Sundays and public holidays, and resolve your issue. Additionally, the service team will provide free virtual support for installation of the product.
Happy babies, happier moms.